Welcome back, everyone. Welcome to Lecture 5. So, with the next couple of lectures, we'll be talking more in detail about the brain, and the human brain in particular. Humans are the species we care most about, well, usually. Uh, and of course, we're talking about this with reference to drugs and drug use. Uh, so, as I mentioned at the very beginning of the course, we're looking at drug use at a variety of levels. We've talked already some about the impact of drugs on the society, so sort of the largest scale. And now we'll move a little bit to the smaller scale. In fact, we'll start with the smallest possible scale. We'll begin discussing the brain and how the brain works. Uh, and we'll start with its most basic building block, which is the neuron. So your brain is really a collection of these neurons, and it turns out that drugs, psychoactive drugs, that is, affect how your brain functions by chemically altering your brain cells, your neurons. So in order to understand how that happens, we first need to really understand what neurons are, what they do, how they work, and so this lecture will be devoted to that. There's not as much as I would like, actually, in your textbook on the brain. There's only a couple of chapters. So I'll be going into a little more detail than your book does. So it's particularly important to pay attention during these next couple lectures. Okay, well, here we go.